Hi, and welcome to my channel, where I document my real day trading journey, the good, the bad, and the boring. Today is Friday, December 19, 2025. I will be trading Palantir stock, ticker symbol PLTR on the 1 minute time frame. One stock, one time frame, and one trade a day if my setup appears. My goal is to simplify trading as much as possible to fit my personality and my lifestyle. So I intentionally eliminate noise that I personally don't believe is necessary to make money in the market. This channel is about the process, discipline, and consistency, not hype. This is just for education purpose. So the red line is the high of yesterday, and this green line is the low of yesterday, and form like this monster wedge combined with the top, like with the high of yesterday. Most likely it's gonna break and retest this, or break it goes to this area here, but we have to see a pattern because it looks more bullish than bearish. But this is the top. We have to see more confirmation here. Let's see what happens, if it breaks or not. And it's very bullish. I mean, it's very volatile. All right, the target got hit. So got in the trade 9:13. The target hit 9:26. So the reason, let's recap so I can explain the reasons I got this trade bearish. So at the opening, I mentioned that I was like, it was probably bullish. It looked bullish because of this monster wedge here combined with the top, the red line from yesterday's. I want to see if it will break and give me a pattern, and also gapped up on this area, breaking the wedge and the top of yesterday. It gave me a wedge here, but unfortunately I have my entry here on the high of yesterday instead, because I thought this bar was too large, because then my stop would be all the way down here. But it is what it is. It never came to trick me in on the retest. That's why sometimes it depends what's going on. This one looked a little confused to me, too many tails, but the pattern looks bullish, and it was bullish because of the gap and the break of the wedge and the high off yesterday. And I said, well, I missed opportunity, whatever. I'll wait for a bearish entry because I start putting this channel here with this wedge. This also was the high of some preview days, and also this one in this area here. So it touched 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times and put the double top here with this top tail here. So, and form this wedge here. So when it broke, I got in here, and my target was right here on the probably like 20 cents before I hit the high of some previous days, because since it broke it, this become a floor, a resistance. So most likely it's gonna bounce here, but that doesn't mean it's gonna go higher. It could just bounce and then just break back if respect this. It doesn't have to respect it, it could be come here to the top or so and bounce back, and also could come here to this other high of some day back then. But at this point I'm already out, but usually it gives me like 2R or more, like double what I just got. But for now I'm just taking one and walk away until I build trust in the system, what I'm trying to do. So that's the trade for today. It worked out and I'm done trading. It is 9:30 right now. I was like in this trade like 15 minutes, less than 15 minutes, I guess. So the focus was execution, risk management and patience, and other results, because I had to wait for another pattern, because I could literally chase this one, but since my entry was here, I didn't want to just change my mind, because if it doesn't work, then I blame myself, and it's a horrible feeling. I don't want to experience that again. So one trade taking according to plan. I'll review this later and come back with the same process, and this is the mindset. And always process over profits and discipline over dopamine. And thanks for watching.